Human error here. The guy responsible for 90% of all security breaches. Today, I'm on the streets of London, talking to people about passwords. What's your password? What's your favorite password to use?
I can't tell you that.
I can't tell you that. It's a great password. Just say it. How many passwords do you use, sir?
I don't use any.
I love that. How many passwords do you use?
About 4, I think.
4. That's 3 too many. Annie, how many passwords do you use?
Ooh, naughty.
Do you ever consider just using the same password for everything?
I would, if I could.
You should only use one password.
Really?
And you're only supposed to use one password.
For everything.
Excuse me, but you are in no position to speak seriously to me. Because look at you.
Because they always say like you need to use a different one because it's not safe.
Yeah, that's a bunch of hogwash. How many passwords do you use?
Maybe I have 3. They're probably written down somewhere, which they shouldn't be.
Yeah, you will always want to write them down. How do you remember all those passwords?
I write them somewhere. Which
Yes.
Remember, yes.
Yes. Where do you write them all in the same place?
I'm not going to tell you that.
And where do you keep them?
My husband has a green book.
A green book. All right, guys, what's your password? What's your email password, sir?
3456.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a great password.
That is good password.
We have to go through very boring training about all this stuff.
Hello, sir. What's your password?
I'm not going to tell you.
Okay. Hello, sir. What's your password? Sir. Hello. What's your password?
Hi, my password?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't tell you my password. Are you kidding me?
Why not?
Dude, do you know nothing about cybersecurity?
No, not really.